Hi, third graders. So remember from yesterday that we start when we're adding two three-digit numbers, we start by building the numbers using our hundreds, tens, and ones block. Now, if we look at this, we remember that we can only have at most 9 blocks in each column. We can only have at least up to 9 ones, up to 9 tens, and up to 9 hundreds. So I'm always going to start in the ones column, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these, okay? So I added the two numbers together. They put the hundreds together, the ones together, the tens together, and the ones together. And then I'm going to group the ones in a group of 10, and it's going to turn it into 110. Now I also see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tens. So I also know that I need to regroup those. So I have 102 tens left. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds, but that's okay. That's not too many. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds, 1, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I'm going to check my answer, and I did a great job. We're going to keep practicing this today, okay? Remember, the highest number of items you can have in each column is 9. If you have 10 or more, you have to regroup. Good luck.